Friends, here is a question. From a thin metallic piece in a shape of trapezium ABCD, in which AB is parallel to CD and angle BCD is equal to 90 degree, a quarter circle BFEC is removed. Given that AB is equal to BC is equal to 3.5 centimeter and DE is equal to 2 centimeter, calculate the area of the remaining part of the metal sheet and use pi is equal to 22/7. Friends, here ABCD is a trapezium. This is a trapezium and it is given that AB, that is equal to 3.5 centimeter and BC is also given as 3.5 centimeter and this DE is given as 2 centimeter. And since this is a quadrant that is removed from this quadrant part is removed from the trapezium, and we have to find the area of this remaining portion. So you know that the area of the remaining portion can be calculated as the area of the trapezium minus area of this quadrant. So here we see that this is the radius and this is also the radius of the same quadrant, and therefore if this is 3.5 centimeter, this will also be 3.5 centimeter. And therefore we will find the area of this shaded region. So to find the area of the shaded region, that is equal to area of the trapezium, area of trapezium minus area of the quadrant, So which is equal to area of trapezium we calculate as 1/2 into bracket sum of the parallel sides. So AB and CD is a parallel side. So this total distance will be what? 3.5 plus 2, that will be 5.5 centimeter. So the sum of the parallel sides, that is 3.5 plus 5.5. So 3.5 plus 5.5. Close the bracket into h, that is height is also 3.5 into 3.5 minus area of the quadrant, that is 1/4 into pi r square. So that will be 22/7 into 3.5 into 3.5, because the radius is 3.5 and r square will be 3.5 into 3.5. So which is equal to, this will be what? 1/2 into 3.5 plus 5.5, that will be 9 into 3.5 minus this will be 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22, 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. So it will be what? 1/2 into 11 into 0.5 into 3.5. So which is equal to, so here if you multiply this to 9 into 3.5, that will be equal to 31.5 upon this 2 minus this will be 11 into 0.5 into 3.5, that will be 19.25 upon 2. And since the denominator is common, it is 2, 31.5 minus 19.25, that will be equal to 12.25 divided by 2, and which is equal to 6.125 square centimeter, and therefore the area of this shaded portion is 6.125 square centimeter. Friends, here is a question. A rectangular piece is 20 meter long and 15 meter wide. From its four corners, quadrants of radii 3.5 meter have been cut. Find the area of the remaining part. Friends, ABCD is a rectangular piece and the four quadrants from the four corners are cut out, and the radius of these 4 quadrants is given as 3.5 meter, and we have to find the area of this remaining portion. ABCD यह एक रेक्टेंगल है, इसके 4 कॉर्नर से 4 क्वाड्रेंट्स निकाल लिए, रिमूव किए, और इस क्वाड्रेंट की जो रेडियस है वो दी है 3.5 मीटर, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रिमेनिंग पोर्शन. इस बचे हुए पोर्शन का हमें एरिया फाइंड करना है. तो हम एरिया ऑफ द रिमेनिंग पोर्शन वी विल कैलकुलेट एज एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. रेक्टेंगल का एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल माइनस 4 इंटू एरिया ऑफ द क्वाड्रेंट. 4 into area of quadrant. So which is equal to area of rectangle is given by length into breadth, correct, minus 4 into area of a quadrant, that is area of quadrant is what, 1/4 pi r square. So this 4 will get cancelled and you will get length into breadth minus area of the circle, that is pi r square. So which is equal to length into breadth is 20 into 15 minus this will be pi, that is 22 by 7 into radius of the quadrant, that is given as 3.5 multiplied by 3.5. So which is equal to 20 into 15, that is 15 2s are 30, so it will be 300 minus this will be 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 0.5, so 22 into 0.5 into 3.5, that will be 38.5, and so 300 minus 38.5, that will be 261.5 square meter, and therefore at the end you write the answer as area of remaining part, that is equal to 261.5 square meter. Here is a question. Find the area of a circular playground is 22,176 square meter. Find the cost of fencing this ground at the rate of rupees 50 per meter. Friends, it is given that the area of a circular playground is 22,176 square meter, and we have to find the cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 50 per meter. एक सर्कुलर प्लेग्राउंड का एरिया दिया है 22,176 स्क्वायर मीटर, और हमें फेंसिंग की कॉस्ट निकालना है और उसका रेट दिया है 50 रुपीज पर मीटर. सो टू फाइंड द फेंसिंग वी विल हैव टू फाइंड द सर्क्यूमफरेंस ऑफ दैट प्लेग्राउंड, एंड दैट द सर्क्यूमफरेंस ऑफ दैट प्लेग्राउंड इज गिवन बाय 2 पाई आर. उस प्लेग्राउंड का सर्क्यूमफरेंस फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, और सर्क्यूमफरेंस 2 पाई आर इस फॉर्मूला से फाइंड करते हैं. तो हमें आर की जरूरत पड़ेगी रेडियस ऑफ द प्लेग्राउंड, लेकिन रेडियस ऑफ द प्लेग्राउंड दी नहीं है हमें. we will require the radius of the playground, and the radius of the playground is not given to us, but instead of that the area of the playground is given, and with the help of this area we can find the radius, and therefore we know that area of a circular playground, that is equal to A is equal to pi r square. Area is given as 22,176, which is equal to pi is 22 by 7 multiplied by r square, and therefore r square, that is equal to 22,176 multiplied by 7 divided by 22. So 22 ones are 22, 22 ones are 22, 0, and 27 8s are 176. Sorry, it will be again 0, so it will be 1008 into 7. So r square, that will be equal to 7056. So r square is equal to 7056, and therefore r, that will be equal to 84 meter. Now friends, here we have got the radius of the playground as 84 meter, and now we will find the cost of fencing. So first we will have to find the circumference, and therefore circumference that is equal to 2 pi r. So which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r, that is 84. So which is equal to 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, and 7 twos are 14. And so if you multiply 2 into 22 into 12, you will get it as 528 meter. So this is the circumference, and so the cost of fencing, the rate is given as rupees 50 per meter, and therefore cost of fencing that is equal to 50 into 528, and so 50 into 528, that will be equal to rupees 26,400. This will be the total cost of fencing the given given playground. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.